Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this helpful, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your questions. If you've ever created bootable USB drives before, you know how tiring it is to format the drive again and again every time you want to try a new ISO. Ventoy fixes all of that. It turns one USB stick into a multi-boot tool where all you have to do is drag and drop ISO files. No more formatting, no more repeated setup. Today I'll show you exactly how to install Ventoy, how to add your ISOs, and how to boot from them. Start by going to the official Ventoy website. Scroll down and download the Windows zip file. Once downloaded, extract the folder and open ventoy2disk.exe. Plug in your USB drive, 8 GB, 16 GB, or even 64 GB if you want multiple ISOs. In the Ventoy window, select your USB drive from the drop-down. Double-check the drive letter before continuing because installing Ventoy will erase everything on that USB. When you're sure, click Install and confirm. Ventoy will now format the drive and prepare it as a multi-boot device. This process normally takes less than a minute. Once it's done, open your USB drive in File Explorer. You'll see a mostly empty drive. This is where Ventoy becomes magical. Instead of running special programs or flashing tools, all you have to do is copy ISO files directly to the USB drive. That means Windows ISOs, Linux ISOs, rescue tools, antivirus boot disks. Just drag and drop them into the drive like normal files. You can add 1 or 20. It doesn't matter. There's no reformatting ever again. Now it's time to boot from the USB. Restart your computer and press your boot menu key, usually F2, F12, ESC, or Del depending on your motherboard or laptop brand. Select the USB drive from the boot menu. Ventoy's bootloader will appear with a list of every ISO you copied. Use your arrow keys to select the ISO you want to boot from, hit enter, and your installation or live environment will open instantly. You can always update Ventoy later to get new features. Simply reopen Ventoy 2 disk, plug in your drive, and if an update is available, the program will show an upgrade button instead of install. Click it and Ventoy will update without deleting your ISOs. Ventoy saves hours of setup time, and once you use it, you'll never go back to single-purpose USB drives. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.